Rocky Mountain climbing, none of that shit. Skydiving, not full of shit.
Like a frog.
What's the chemo? Should be given next day. Have to build my white blood cells back.
Other side. Oh, okay, that is a side. Go.
He's like, I know what side it is, Dad.
It was the other side before.
It was turned
I
around.
turned it around. So.
She's been doing the duct tape or come off by itself.
You can't go out that way. Okay.
So the hole there where
It comes off by itself. That's probably a little
I like the
there.
fact that they make duct
duct
tape.
tape.
My dad they did not have that when my dad was alive. They would come out with all those designs, he would have been like in heaven, because he's still just there.
Her foot got stuck.
EW40 and duct tape.
Whoa!
Hold your feet out. Hold them out.
She won't. That's why I'm doing this.
She's like, I do what I want, Graham. I do what I want.
It's like
Dragging her feet.
the Flintstones when they run in the car.
They're pretty.
That's what she's doing.
She's obviously out there training babies in the miracle girl every day.
That foot's dragging in. Bad.
What?
Her foot's dragging.
All
Bad.
right. All right. We're done.
You gotta put your feet up on the steering wheel. And Daddy can pull you.
He's waiting for you too. Looking at you.
That's what you need. You have to feed beers. Just spin around circles.
He'd be down quick.
He looked like he was good. He spun around once, and then it kind of looked like he was like, oh,
What,
good
you
again.
mean this?
Oh, God.
All right. All right.
Okay.
Wait for it.
Wait
She's
for
like-
who? Him or her?
She can't even get up.
She ran to go get it.
She's going, huh?
She's gonna work.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Are you drunk, Sophie? Don't you drive?
She didn't drink and
No
drive.
driving. They passed the sobriety test.
Look how she's getting that she's like,
It's a drunk and drive commercial.
Pick it up. No, you hurt your foot. Let's fix it first, then you go back in it. We gotta fix it. Me and Mommy fix it.
yeah, you should put a board down.
Right behind you.
I was just gonna get the strap
Plywood right there.
and screw the strap on both sides and plop her feet up on
Let
there.
her get a net.
Miss, can you use plywood?
That plywood's too.
She knows to put that belt on.